Okay, dear students, in the previous class we learned the types of chemical reaction, that is 4 types of chemical reaction we learned. And today we are discussing 5th and 6th one types of chemical reaction. In the previous class, you take the recapitulation. There are 4 types of chemical reaction: direct combination reaction, or also known as synthesis reaction, and second one decomposition reaction, and third one displacement reaction. That displacement reaction is also known as substitution reaction, and fourth one is double displacement reaction. Today we are discussing fifth one is a reversible reaction, and sixth one is catalytic reaction. In these two reactions, what is a reversible reaction? Reversible reaction, it is a chemical reaction in which the product react together to form a original substance. Product react together to form a original, that means reactant, original reactant, depending on certain conditions. For example, here product SO3, sulfur dioxide react with the oxygen with the help of vanadium pentoxide is a catalyst, and sulfur trioxide is formed. Again, with the help of sulfur trioxide is a product. With the help of product, again we can get back their original reactant. This type of reactions are known as reversible reactions. And for example, calcium carbonate. On heating the calcium carbonate, again with calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide is formed. Again with the help of these two, then product, again we get the original reactant. This type of reactions is known as a reversible reaction. Now we take the catalytic reaction. What is catalytic reaction? Catalytic reaction is also one type of chemical reaction. In that chemical reaction, we are using catalyst. We are using extra substances. Catalytic reaction, it is a chemical reaction in which catalyst is used. What is catalyst? That is, catalyst is used to alter the rate of reaction. One substance is used. That means what is catalyst? That is catalyst is a substances which alter the rate of chemical reaction, but it will not take part in chemical reaction. Here catalyst MnO2 is a catalyst, is used in this reaction. Hydrogen peroxide with MnO2, it accelerates the rate of chemical reaction when it releases the oxygen gas. Therefore, MnO2 is a catalyst. Catalyst is a substances which alter the rate of chemical reaction, but it will not take part in chemical reaction. That one is known as catalyst. That means catalytic reaction means if they are using the catalyst. Catalyst is used to alter the rate of reaction, to change. Alter means here where you increase the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction. If rate of reaction increases, it is known as positive catalyst. What is positive catalyst? Positive catalyst means it speed up the rate of reaction. That catalyst which increase the rate of reaction or it speed up the rate of reaction is known as positive catalyst. It decrease the rate of, reduce the rate of reaction is known as negative catalyst. For example, here you take vanadium pentoxide, sulfur dioxide react with oxygen to form a sulfur trioxide. Here vanadium pentoxide is a V2O5, vanadium pentoxide is a catalyst. And here nitrogen and hydrogen react to form a ammonia. Here iron is a catalyst and molybdenum is a promoter. Molybdenum is a promoter. What is promoter mean? Promoter is increase its efficiency, increase the efficiency of catalyst. This is promoter. It increase the efficiency of the iron. Therefore, this one is known as promoter. Promoter is a substances which increase the efficiency of the catalyst is known as promoter. Here, increase its efficiency of the catalyst. For example, molybdenum, MO means what? Molybdenum. Therefore, here molybdenum is a promoter. Today, we learned only two types of chemical reaction. One is the reversible chemical reaction, another one is catalytic reaction. In that catalytic reaction, what is positive catalyst? Positive catalyst means a catalyst which increase the rate of reaction or it speed up the rate of reaction is known as positive catalyst. Negative catalyst means it reduce the rate of reaction is known as negative catalyst. Promoter means it increase the efficiency of the catalyst is known as promoter. Only these 2 points we learned, and some more example we wrote on the board, and in the next period we shall discuss the another one concept. Okay, thank you.